Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So आज का वीडियो होने वाला है quick, simple, easy college makeup look. This is the makeup look that I would have rocked अगर मैं 2023 में college जाती. I don't go anymore. But yeah, this is what I would have done. I know a lot of you guys have started going to college या फिर college अभी start होने वाला है. So I thought this would be perfect for you guys. Very simple, easy and quick. Max to max 5 product use किए, सारे के सारे budget friendly है. I know this would be helpful for you guys and also I'll be sharing some tips and tricks जो आपको help करेंगे to get ready easy and quick in the morning but still look cute at the same time. That's what this video is about. Watch it till the end. Let's get started.
First things first, let's start with a clean and moisturized face. अगर आपका कोई स्किन केयर रूटीन नहीं है तो मेक श्योर करना कि एटलीस्ट यू मॉइस्चराइज एंड प्रोटेक्ट योर स्किन. फॉर मॉइस्चराइजर आई विल रेकमेंड लैक्मे लूमी क्रीम बिकॉज ये 2-in-1 एक्शन है. दिस विल मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन एंड हाईलाइट इट एट द सेम टाइम, जो एकदम एफर्टलेस ग्लो दे देता है. यू कैन क्लियरली सी इट ऑन माई फेस. दिस लुक्स रियली गुड अंडर मेकअप और विदाउट मेकअप भी एक बहुत अच्छा बेस दे देता है. फॉर सनस्क्रीन आई हैव यूज्ड डॉक्टर शेड्स सेरामाइड एंड विटामिन सी सनस्क्रीन. बहुत ही अच्छा सनस्क्रीन है, डज नॉट गिव एनी वाइट कास्ट. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है बट आई वुड सजेस्ट टू स्प्लर्ज ऑन गुड सनस्क्रीन. बहुत मैटर करता है स्पेशली फॉर कॉलेज किड्स जो ट्रैवल करते हैं या बंक करके बाहर घूमते हैं. प्रोटेक्ट योर स्किन फ्रॉम हार्मफुल सनरेज. योर स्किन विल थैंक यू लेटर. चलो प्रेप हो गया. नाउ लेट्स इवन आउट आवर कॉम्प्लेक्शन. For that, I'll use a skin tint by Mamaearth. It's their Hydra Glow CC cream. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. The finish it gives is very skin-like but better and lightweight भी है. You won't feel like you have anything on your face. It has light to medium coverage and it will last you for a good 6 to 7 hours and थोड़ा sweat भी withstand कर लेता है. मैं कॉलेज में थी तभी लैक्मे CC क्रीम लगाती थी. I still use it and love it, but I think it's time to evolve, right? I have made a video on skin tints. Definitely check it out. If you feel you need a little bit more coverage on some blemish or under eyes, just add another layer of skin tint only on those areas and you're good to go. Brows frame the face so we can't forget about them. For that I'm going to use Maybelline Tattoo Brow. I love this because it has the product on one end and spoolie on the other. मेरा वाला खत्म हो चुका है so I'll use something else. You don't have to go crazy, just fill in the outer half or bald spots that you have and keep the front half light. Follow your natural brow shape and अगर आपका eyebrows thick है then don't fill them in, just use a clear gel to set them in place. That's it. I feel shaping your brows do make a huge difference, especially when you're taking pictures or you have light brows like mine. एक flash पड़ा and eyebrows गायब. For our eyes, we'll keep it simple yet stunning. I'll walk you through how to create a soft, neutral eye makeup that enhances your natural beauty without looking overdone. For that, I'm going to use a brown kajal by Faces Canada in the shade Brown Comfort and line my waterline. मैं कॉलेज में थी तभी ब्लैक काजल लगाती थी but I feel brown kajal looks a bit more natural. I'm going to apply the same on the top lid as well and blend it. थोड़ा कलर ऐड करता है. Also ये वाला काजल बहुत सही है. It glides really well, easy to use and blend. I use it multiple ways so पैसा वसूल product है. Next you can choose between liner or mascara but I would choose liner any day. I love the look liner gives and I used to do it every single day. I was so good at it कि मुझे 30 seconds भी नहीं लगते. I like to do a very skinny wing at the end. Also आप multiple colors के liner use कर सकते हो to give a pop. Mascara मुझे everyday के लिए heavy लगता है and I don't want to doze off in my class. Plus removing that mascara is a task which I don't want. I know a lot of people don't know how to do a winged eyeliner and that's fine. You can just use the brown kajal that I showed you before and try to create a wing and fade it a little. You don't have to be precise because you're gonna fade it any which ways and that looks good too. Okay, for blush I'm gonna use a lipstick by Plum in the shade Upside Brown. It's a nice color for all skin shade from fair to deep and everyday use के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. For blush you can literally use any lip shade that you're using on your lips and match it up. It's all about that youthful and fresh vibe. And I'm gonna use the same lipstick on my lips as well, just in the middle. I totally forgot to line my lips and I'm going to use the same brown kajal by Faces Canada. If you don't want to own multiple lip liners, that's okay. Just own one brown lip liner. And I swear it goes on everything. I'll reveal my favorite lip products that won't smudge or fade even during those long study sessions. The first one is by Mars in the shade Deep Sea. Really nice earthy shade and it lasts really long. The second one is by Makeup Revolution Shimmer Bomb in the shade Glaze. I know a lot of you guys love lip glosses, so this is one of my favorites. It's a beautiful light pink shimmer gloss, great for everyday use. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this on top of my lips and on high points for highlight. And there you have it, a college makeup look that looks natural, effortless, and sure to make you feel confident and ready to take on the day. This look is versatile enough to go from lectures to a casual hangout with friends. I can't wait to see you all rock this look.
And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next.
Also, there is a beauty sale on Amazon from 22nd July to 26th July, so go get your products now.
Of course, सारे product के links मैं description में दे दूंगी. I'll also put my storefront link where you'll find all the products एक जगह पे. You don't have to search for anything else. And yeah, if you like this video, of course, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.